Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach a marimba medley. That's a combination of 3 songs. The first one being Stand By Me by Ben E. King, followed by Every Breath You Take by Sting, and the last one is going to be Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. So we'll start off with Stand By Me by Ben E. King. I'll play through the melody and then we'll break it down together. Right, we're now going to break it down. We're going to start from E and G, going to A. First time you go E, G, A, and then the second time you answer with E, G. All right, so one more time. E, G, A, 2, E, G, and then you move down to C, D, E, D, C. One more time. C, D, E, D, C. C, D, E, D, C. Right, let's take it from the beginning. E, G, A. C, D, E, D, C. And then after that, you're going to go C, D, E, D, C. The rhythm changes. C, D, E, D, C. C, E, D, C. And then D, D, C. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Let's break it down again. E, G, A. Then number 2 is E, G. And then C, D, E, D, C. C, D, E, D, C. C, E, D, C. D, D, C. Now I'm going to play twice through. Now we're going to move to the chorus. So the chorus, you start from G and A. You're going to go G, A, G, B, C, A, G. One more time. G, A, G, B, C, A, G. And then you repeat A, G. So. And then after that you go A, G, E, D, C. One more time. A, G, E, D, C. G, A, G, C, B, A, G. A, G. And then A, G, E, D, C. D, C. E, D, C. E, D, C. E, D, C. That will be the end of the chorus. One more time. G, A, G, B, C, A, G, A, G, A, G, E, D, C, D, C, E, D, C, E, D, C, E, D, C. Right, now I'm going to play the first part, followed by the chorus. I'll play each part twice. So that's the piccolo part for Stand By Me. Now I'm going to move straight into the next song, Every Breath You Take. So what I'll do is I'll play Stand By Me once through and then move straight into Every Breath You Take. Right, that is the part for Every Breath You Take. Let's work through it together. So you're going to start from E. So you're going to go E, F, E, D, C. E, F, E, D, C. One more time. E, F, E, D, C. Now I'm going to roll on the notes. Play the same notes, but this time I'm going to roll. All right. E, F, E, D, C. One more time. E, F, E, D, C. Right, so the second time around you're going to go E, F, E, D, C, E. Listen again. E, F, E, D, C, E. E, F, E, D, C, E. So the first one is E, F, E, D, C. And then the second one, E, F, E, D, C, E. This time I'm going to play both parts with the roll. Right, the next part. Again. So the notes are C, E, F, D, C, E, F, D, C, E, F, D, and then C, F, E, D. That's the second one. C, F, E, D, C, F, E, D. So from the first one, C, E, F, D, C, F, E, D. And then the next one, C, E, D, C, C, E, D, C. That's the last one. C, E, D, C. Now the whole part. One more time. C, E, F, D, C, F, E, D, C, E, D, C. Now the whole part together, twice through each. Right, next we're going to move into the last song, which is Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. So you're going to start from the G on your left, the bottom G. So I'm going to play through the whole song. Right, and the notes are G, G, C, D, E, and you roll on E. One more time. G, G, C, D, E. Second time. G, G, C, D, E, D, C, D, C. Again. G, G, C, D, E, D, C, D, C. Now those two together. 2, 3, 4, 5. C, D, E, D, C. One more time. C, C, E. G, G, C, D, E, D, C, D, C. And to move on, C, C, D, E, D. One more time. C, C, D, E, D. C, C, D, E, D. From the beginning. And then the last part. And the notes are F, E, C, D, C. One more time. F, E, C, D, C. Right, now the whole part from the beginning. And then comes the last part for this song. It's going to go like this. One more time. Right, so it goes like this. C, D, C, and then you roll on G. 3, 4, 5. 5 bits. C, D, C, G. 2, 3, 4, 5. C, D, C, G, and then E. All right, so first time, C, D, C, G. Back to the beginning. C, D, C, and then G, E. And then C, C, D, E, D. F, E, C, D, C. One more time. C, D, C, G. C, D, C, G, E. C, C, D, E, D. Right, that's your medley. I hope you enjoy putting together those 3 songs. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.